The next time you visit Cranes Roost Park in Altamonte Springs, you're going to encounter a new resident. Sculptor Mark Aeling has created this amazing 13,000-pound stainless steel mother crane nesting with her baby.
The concept came from the location, and I thought what would be more appropriate than a roosting crane. We've got hundreds of pieces that make up the overall sculpture. We use plate material, in this case predominantly 3/8 inch, 5-foot by 12-foot plates of stainless steel that are all CAD cut on a water jet into this system of waffling, and it's a great structural system for making large-scale sculpture. And we really wanted to try and get a piece that could be seen from the interstate, from the I-4 corridor, because the funding for this project came from the I-4 corridor.
The I-4 Ultimate project has set aside $1.5 million to fund permanent art installations throughout the I-4 Ultimate corridor.
This particular piece has been very rewarding, partially because of this environment, the setting that it's in. This is such a beautiful park that the city of Altamonte Springs has put together. There are all sorts of magical things that happen when the synergy of that natural shape gets related to the strength of the metal and that process of design. So I hope that people begin to make the connection between the park and the sculpture, and that they enjoy it.
To learn more about Mark's sculpture and the artwork from other artists who will be contributing to the Art Endowment program, visit i4ultimate.com.